Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. This video covers how to add YouTube videos in Google Forms. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Before starting, I want to share something with you. My channel is educational channel where you can learn about different technologies and application. When you type in the search box, you can type channel name Infinite Learnopedia, and here is my YouTube channel. You can also directly search from YouTube application from the search box. This is my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. Check out playlist in my channel. Variety of videos are available on technologies such as IoT, study materials, that is MCQ, information about different application and website, as well as about virtual classroom application, that is Google Classroom, Google Forms, and others. Now let's get started with how to add YouTube videos in Google Forms. As previously I have shared many videos on Google Forms, how to create online test MCQs using Google Forms. You can create MCQs questions such as match the pairs, true or false, fill in the blanks. You can add even images, videos. You can create long answer type questions. You can add passage and create question based on passage. If you want to know how to create online tests using Google Forms and how to create MCQs using Google Forms, shall give link in the description box. Check out the videos related to Google Forms. To add video, click on add section option. So here one section is added. Next step after adding section is click on the section, click on add video option. Here there are two options available, video search option. You can search for a video in this search box to find videos, and second is URL. You can copy and paste URL over here. Now let's search for a video. I will search for Infinite Learnopedia channel video. Select video and click select. This is the video added. Type question over here. Type title. Click on the three dots of the video. You can set alignment, left, center, right. If you want to remove this video, you can delete using remove option, and you can even change the video by clicking on change option. In this way, you can add video and frame questions for your students. For example, I will add some questions over here. I will add one more question. In this way, you can add videos and frame questions based on the video. Students will watch video first and then answer the question based on the video. This is all about how you can add YouTube videos in Google Forms. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.